rumah yang mengisi edukasi ini dengan baik.
And now I'm responsible for Social Security Implementing Agency in health. And we are covering 240 million people with single integrated scheme, only one scheme. And what we have done, first that, of course, that we are developing on the ecosystem digitalization. And we categorize this ecosystem digitalization into 4 clusters. Cluster number 1 related to members, then related to the health providers, related to the finance and banks, and then related to the stakeholders. First, the members. So we already developed what we call it, shifting from offline branches to online. Previously, more than 100 people are working in our branch offices. Now, only maybe less than 100. And not only that, but that can be able to track complaints, registration, status view, update data, premium payment, finding nearest health facilities, then generating digital identity card. And for the healthcare, of course, we now develop digitalized credentialing process for healthcare facilities provider, optimization disease management program using video, and then we have telemedicine, teleconsultation, and then about related to the bank, the digital ecosystem, we have developed more than 650,000 payment points and payment channel, for example, like OVO, like Indomart, and many type of new payment. Then, of course, for the regarding interconnected stakeholders cluster, BPJS Kesehatan cooperate with various ministries, organization, private corporation, association, communities in order to optimize the data updating and expand web-based membership. And we were lucky because our president already issued how 30 ministries and organizations have to work together and they relate to the public services. So if they are not a member of our schemes, there may be, give penalty or something like that. Then the number 2, what we have done, which is really in the first history of BPJS Kesehatan, is that we now already positive asset, usually always deficit and negative. Okay? Then of course we have too many things new, especially related to the COVID. So we have system where can track, tested, and also recorded, monitored, and working together with the Ministry of Health and also with the other ministries, and for immunization and also for identifying those who have high risk and also comorbidities where they are prioritized to immunize of COVID-19. Okay, now I think this is all. Thank you.